OESuite, really from the risk analysis side, sets you up to have all those methodologies at your disposal, from HAZARD to HAZUP to LOPA to JSA to FMEA, even things like dust hazard analysis and other methodologies. They're all there, but it's how do you take all those points of risk and stitch together a picture of the composite of that risk at the facility level. And then how do you then turn that into a proactive means by which to measure the health of your safeguards and the barriers that you have that you're ultimately going to call on to prevent the risk from becoming a loss. When you go to put together all those risk contributors into a risk registry, the process risk module is a starting point, but there are other key modules in that, like inspection or incident investigation, that contribute parts of the risk picture. And so where do you go to get those quick insights where all the risk contributors lie? The risk registry lies in the enterprise risk management module, which is really the umbrella that overarches all these different OESuite risk contributors. And that's why the interoperability is so important, because it makes it seamless to put all those things together into that common view.